That old car might be worth money. Call Victory Auto Wreckers at 860-2000 for a quote. Victory will tow no matter what condition your car's in.
Last days, last hour of Victory Auto Works. I guess the family members that want to take it over. Sell it as a junkyard anymore. And this had always asphalt down on there, and they usually had carpet, crappy carpet you could lay on. There's a bunch of edges I guess they sold. And you could lay on the crappy carpet and not get all dirtied up on the nasty ground. I guess these are all cars they're crushing. This is it. Oh, poor avalanche. I just love seeing the jets go off in the background. Sorry, I got a little distracted. So the other week they had Corvettes out here, but they haven't been buying cars in 2 weeks. Ton useless points. What is this on the fender? Someone's asking me that. So what is that? What does it do with that? So this account, like, what is that?
Thank you for calling Victory Auto Wreckers, where that old car was worth money. Our last day of accepting junk cars was Saturday, November 18th, 2023. The last day of operation for our self-service auto parts yard is Thursday, November 30th, 2023. Our hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturdays, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Sunday we are closed. Please visit victoryautoworkers.com for more information.
Very true. My first week at WGN, I recorded the Victory Auto Wreckers commercial. This was 1991, and that commercial has been on ever since then. This is Kyle Weisner, who is the owner of Victory Auto Wreckers, and you decided you want to enjoy your life a little bit. You want to relax a little.
Time you went up there and spend $100 or more, you get a free t-shirt. So I got 2, 4, 6, 8, I guess. I hadn't been up there in like 2 or 3 years. It's just a drive.